Hello guys, my name is Rita and you're welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, I know you're probably wondering what I talk about on my channel. Well guys, I talk about everything bougie, everything sassy, everything ratchet, everything Rita, everything skincare. Guys, don't mind me. I talk about everything that interests me, like literally interests me. Guys, I am the creative mind behind chitchatrita.com, which is a lifestyle, poetry, beauty and entertainment blog, which I suggest you guys should go check out now. Like, log out of YouTube and go check chitchatrita.com, but make sure you come back to YouTube to subscribe to this. Yeah, you have to come back to subscribe and support your girl. Subscribe and support me. Well guys, I'm the creative mind of chitchatrita.com, and this YouTube channel is an extension of my blog. So when I write about stuff on chitchatrita.com, I come over here to talk about it. Well guys, today I'll be addressing a certain question I keep getting asked every time on social media. So a lot of people ask me every time, Rita, how did you grow your blog from zero, like 000 ground level 0, to over 2,000 newsletter subscribers in just a couple of months? Did you use jazz? And I'm like, guys, it has nothing to do with jazz or juju. It has nothing to do with all of that. Well guys, I decided to use this video to answer those questions. So we'll be talking about the tips, the tricks and the methods I have been using to build my blog. So if you're interested in tips and tricks for writing, guys, I suggest you stay here and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Or you can just, why not just subscribe and then wait till the end of this video to see the answers to all of those questions. Your choice. Subscribe to my channel, guys. So we'll be discussing all of that on my channel. Make sure you watch till the end to find out. Well guys, before we proceed, there is something that has been bothering me. Like, I am really pissed. I am upset, but don't worry, I'm not going to curse you. I am not that upset, but guys, it's hurting me that you guys haven't subscribed. Some people watching me till now have not subscribed and did not like this. So guys, remember to subscribe and to like my video and watch my previous videos. Like, comment, share and follow me on social media. Guys, when you subscribe, do not forget, and I mean it, do not forget to turn on your post notification. That way you get notified whenever I put up more tips and tricks like the one I'm about to put out now. So guys, subscribe and follow me on all of my social media platforms, and make sure you like this video and my other videos. Thank you. Now we can proceed. So I have narrowed the tips and tricks of writing a blog post, a perfect one. I have narrowed it down to 4 tips. So if you adhere to these 4 tips, writing a blog post should be like a piece of cake for you, because I use these 4 tips and it works for me every time. Now before we proceed guys, I want to ask how many people have blogs. How many people listening to me right now have blogs? How many of you have articles that you've written or you are writing right now? Articles or blog posts, just let me know. I want to know you guys. So if you've written a blog post before, or you're writing one now, or an article, or you have a blog, let me know in the comment section below. So now delving into I make sure I use is making sure I have a catchy title. So you have to make sure your title is catchy. I make sure I use is making sure I have a catchy title. So you have to make sure your title is catchy, because trust me, if you have a shitty title, no one will want to read your work, because your title is your call to action. That is what makes people decide if they want to read your work or not. So if your title is shitty, they'll just assume, oh well, she has a shitty title, so the work has to be shitty. Don't judge a book by its cover. It doesn't work for titles. They judge your work by your title. So you have to ensure your title is catchy. You have to ensure you put in much work as you put in your body. You have to put in that much work in your title. So I have 3 stuff I do that works out for me when I'm out of title ideas. The first one is put a list of titles. Maybe I'm confused of the one to pick. I bring out a list of titles and I ask friends and family members, what title do you think will be suitable for this post I'm about to write? And they pick, and if it makes sense, I use it. Another method I do is to read books. Once I'm out of titles, that is a sign that you need to read more. So you grab every magazine, every book, every article you can find, just grab it and just read. And who knows, inspiration comes from anywhere. So you make sure you just read everything around and then you come up with a title. The third tip I use for bringing out titles is the good old how to. If you check chitchatwither.com, you will see a segment I dedicated just to how to. So how to dress like a boss, how to arrange your wardrobe like a boss, how to have the perfect skin, how to style, how to has been a title that has been there right from time. So it is a good thing to use. So you're out of, maybe you're writing a piece on baking a cake and you're out of title, so you can just like how to bake a cake, or how to bake a strawberry cake, how to bake a chocolate cake. So how to is what I use most times. So your title is really important whenever you're writing a blog post. So you have to make sure your title is catchy. Alright guys, moving to the second tip. The second tip is your introduction. Guys, you have to make sure you have a hook line in your introduction. When I say a hook line, I mean something to keep them interested, something to keep their eyes fixed on the remaining of your post. I don't know if you're feeling me, if you're understanding what I'm saying, but you need a hook line in your introduction that will keep them fixed into what you're doing. Alright, now let me break it down. So on YouTube now, your introduction is like your description box. So if you go to my description box, you see I put like a sneak peek of what you would expect to find in my video. Alright, you don't have to leak everything, like everything that's in your body. You don't have to leak it in your introduction. I don't need to leak it in my description, but at least when you read my description, you have an idea. You have a sneak peek of what is going to happen in my video. You have an idea that okay, this is it, this is it. So in my description now, I can just be like, alright, so I'll be giving you 4 tips of how to write a blog post. Alright, so now you know that I'll be giving you 4 tips to writing a blog post, but you don't know the 4 tips until you watch. So now writing a blog post is like that. They should have like a sneak peek, but do not let the cat out of the bag while you're doing your introduction. So keep it short and simple. You don't need to write a long story telling them of what to expect inside your article. You just give them a couple of lines, letting them know that okay, this is it, this is what it is about, but not telling them what it is. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So that's it. Your introduction has to be short and simple, and also a sneak peek of what would be in your work. So guys, the third tip is your body. Yes, so the body of your work has to be skimmable. It has to be easy to skim, because truth be told, no one has time to be reading one boring ass long article. I won't read that, so why should I put it out for people to read? Why should I put something boring and long ass for people to read when I won't even read something boring? So when you're writing, you think to yourself, is this boring to me? Is this long to me? And if the answer is yes, guy, you need to like just change your approach. Yeah, so point is, the body has to be straight to the point. It has to be easy to skim, and it doesn't have to be long ass and boring. So work on your your body. Sorry, your body is the third tip, and it has to be precise, easy to skim, and easy to read, of course, and not too long, guys. Moving on, guys, the fourth tip is your conclusion. You have to put in work in your conclusion. You can't just get bored and tired when you're writing from your title to your introduction to the body, and you get to the conclusion and you're like, oh my god, I'm so tired, I can't do anything. Guys, statistics has it that so many people that come to your blog do not read the introduction or read the body of your work, they scroll down to the conclusion, and the conclusion will now determine if they will read the introduction or the body. So imagine you just did one kind of rough work on your conclusion, and they go to your conclusion and see shitty conclusion. Do you think they'll go back up to read the introduction or the body? Of course, nobody's going to do that. So you need to put in as much work in your conclusion. So you have a boring ass conclusion, or a not well thought conclusion, or a lazy conclusion. Imagine what will happen. Nobody will go back to read. So you have to make sure you put in work in your conclusion, guys. Yeah. So guys, those are the 4 tips I have been using to build my brand chitchatrita.com. Those are the 4 tips I have been abiding by that has made my blog grown from 0 to over 2,000 newsletter subscribers in just a few months, just a couple of months. So guys, if you adhere to these 4 tips, trust me, your writing will be superb. So guys, if you like this, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And then of course share and tell people about it, and then follow me on all of my social media platforms, which will be coming out where we're either here or here. I'll decide. Alright guys, so follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram to stay up to date about tips and tricks bloggers use all the time, or tips and tricks that can help you build your writing skills, that can help you up your game when it comes to writing. So guys, thank you for joining me. If you are new here, thank you. Do not forget to like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, I am so grateful. I am so thankful, because without you, I will not be sitting down here putting up content. So you guys have kept me going. Thank you. You're welcome to my family, to the newbies, to the returning subscribers. Keep supporting, keep encouraging. Thank you guys, and until next time, I am Rita.